To be totally honest, in the beginning, we were not confident to implement them as our sole partner for recruitment. So in the beginning, we actually started to get some reference calls with former companies they work with, and then I think we had 2 or 3 trial placements, as we called them, but they weren't really great. So the process was very smooth. The talent that we got, the CVs that we received were well handled. So when we saw how much time we saved working together with IO and the people we were able to hire through you guys, we took a decision that this is the right partner to go with. It helped me in a couple of ways, because I mean, we are a first-time founder company, so me and my colleagues we didn't have a lot of insights into how to recruit and how to structure what we're looking for, or how to structure a good interview. So with the support of IO, we were able to adapt much more and to understand what we're looking for and how to handle the interview process and how to find the right talent. Even on the side of employer benefits, how do we structure what we do? How can we communicate the benefits that FibreCoat has? And this is something that I'm not sure if we would have learned as quickly without support from IO. We just compared the cost. Back in the day, we didn't have that many placements, so having an internal recruitment team for just a couple of people to hire wasn't worth it. And at the same time, building a team with expertise and insights would have taken a long time compared to just tapping into the big network and connections that IO has. So this drove our decisions, and then down the road, when we grew and we now have more placements per year, the cooperation is so smooth that we have an internal resource that links to IO, but we don't need anything else, because this resource is enough to kind of coordinate our internal process, while the whole IO network and background and team is handling the sourcing, which is very time consuming. And I think overall it'd be probably more expensive to build up a team that has the same quality and same effectiveness as IO.